Okay, there we go. All right, welcome everybody to start or add your business coaching to your practice. I am so excited to be here today. My name is Jim Shopland. I'm going to walk you through our presentation today. We're going to have a chance to be able to have some questions at the end. So if you want to hold anything until that time, we're also going to hear from a couple of coaches today as well. And so looking forward to the opportunity here. So we're going to explore how business coaching could add to your work. It could become something that you are interested in doing full time, or whether it's just something that you want to just learn a little bit more about. We're going to take some time to be able to learn all of this stuff as we go through today. So why are we talking about business coaching? Well, business coaching and coaching particularly is something I love and I'm very passionate about because it gives us an opportunity to be able to work with leaders to turn their vision into measurable results. Coaching helps to spark us to be able to have a purpose-driven change in others. And it also is a great way to earn flexible and scalable revenue. It's something that really is a fast-growing industry. And as we've seen in the past, as coaches have come on board, there's a high demand in this field right now, both for business coaches as coaching as a career, but also adding coaching to an existing profession. And so we're going to be able to get a chance to go through all of that today. So what are you going to gain by being here today? Well, first of all, at the end of the session, we're going to provide you with some free tools as a takeaway. No pressure for you. We just want to be able to add some value to you. But we're also going to talk about 3 great secrets to get you started in coaching. What are some things that you can look into in terms of starting out your coaching journey? And we want to make sure that you discover if coaching is right for you. So if you have questions or are not sure about whether coaching is the right fit for yourself, this is an opportunity to be able to ask those or to reach out to us afterwards. And you'll get all of that information after we finish off the presentation today. So first of all, who are we? PBCA Canada, we are Professional Business Coaches Association of Canada, and we are a trusted community that was founded in 2005. Now we've grown into a national network with coaches right across the country, and we are made up of experienced professionals, former executives, entrepreneurs, people that have been advisors or consultants in the past. And the reason we exist is to ensure that as coaches, we uphold a high standard in our training, in our certification, and we also have the ethics there and a code of ethics so that as we build a business and the opportunities that are there to establish a practice, we want to make sure that coaching meets a certain standard. So we train, support, and collaborate with business coaches to create a successful community of other coaches, both professionally and some of those that are adding it to their practice. And we also provide a supportive environment along with industry-leading resources. So to summarize, we are independent and a nationally recognized organization that is member-led and values-driven. And you can explore more at any time at our website at pbcacanada.com. Feel free to check us out for more. So I'm curious. I want a little bit of interaction from everybody here. Tell me a bit why you are here today. So take a bit of time, if you could, to say, are you here interested in some sort of career change? Perhaps you're wanting to look at coaching as a full-time occupation for yourself. Are you here to look at coaching and explore a little bit about how it might be able to enhance your current role of what you're already doing? And you've heard that coaching might be something that is of interest for you and value to add to what you're already doing. Or maybe you are just looking for something that is purpose-driven. Coaching is certainly that. It's a great opportunity for us to be able to encourage and lead others to be able to fulfill their dreams. And it's a great purpose-driven endeavor. Or maybe you're just curious. You're not really sure about this whole coaching idea, but you just want to learn more, and that's fine too. So I'd love drop something in the chat. Let us know you're here and why you are here today. So let's start with what is coaching. We've got 4 things up there that sort of discuss what oftentimes people think coaching is. And we want to explore each of those and understand how coaching is different than any of these other ones. Really what coaching is all about, it's about partnering with our clients in a thought-provoking and creative process that inspires them to be able to maximize their personal and their professional potential. Coaching is very future-focused. It's designed to sort of unlock the potential in our clients and not necessarily to fix problems. Coaching is rooted in deeply listening and having powerful questions to ask. And really, it is grounded in clear ethical boundaries. That's very important for us to ensure that that is happening out there. So let's explore some of the differences of people think that coaching sometimes is. So as I said, coaching is about listening, asking open-ended questions, and helping our clients uncover the answers and for them to take actions. Sometimes people think it's about mentoring, when really mentoring is really about sharing advice and stories and wisdom from their own journey. It's strictly a matter of supporting the mentee's growth. Now, coaching is not consulting either. Consultants often provide direct advice, strategy, and solutions based. Now, it's not to say that there aren't consultants that add coaching to their practice, but there's very different lines between what a consultant and a coach is. And many times I'm actually asked, well, what's the difference between coaching and therapy? Well, the easiest thing for me to explain is oftentimes therapy looks at past. Coaching looks at the future. Coaching is about partnering and uncovering the answers for the future going forward. Now, all of these roles are valuable, but today we want to specifically talk about coaching and what it is. So as I said, coaching is a thought-provoking and collaborative process that helps our clients unlock their potentials, to set meaningful goals, and to take actions, all within this ethical and respectful partnership that coaches have with clients. So at PBCA, what coaching means to us is about asking permission before we give advice, listening with a deep root that isn't about judgment, guiding our clients to their own answers, and maintaining confidentiality and boundaries there. And as I said already, coaching is not about consulting, mentoring, or therapy, but coaching is a powerful forward-focused partnership based on accountability and growth. Now, I'm curious for anybody out there, have you experienced coaching in some way? Think about a time perhaps where you have felt that you have been coached and the impact that it has on you. So again, if you've got a moment, add some thoughts into the chat because I'd love to know. My first experience with being coached, was extremely powerful. I felt that as I walked away from it, I was supported and encouraged by my coach, gave me an opportunity to be able to take those steps and to develop the success on my own versus relying on somebody telling me what to be able to do. Coaching is extremely powerful for us to be able to bring into our clients' businesses and perhaps even into their own leadership teams. So today we want to talk about sort of 3 opportunities you have and paths of where coaching might fit for you. Is it something that you're looking for as a career? Now, perhaps you're leaving something, could be in retirement, could be in some form of transition. You're being in a corporate environment already, you're in education or something, and you are looking for a way to be able to move into coaching and doing it full time. Now, perhaps your path to coaching might be enhancing what you already are doing. We see this a lot in consultants and other professionals that are out there that are looking to add coaching to their practice because they feel it will enhance what they are already doing. Oftentimes what we see is when somebody's working with one of their clients in these roles, that they're not achieving the results that they want to be achieving, and they need something more to unlock their client's potential.